Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from your Metamask wallet to Binance. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or just want a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need Metamask installed on your browser or mobile app. It's free and super easy to set up. Also, ensure you have a verified Binance account and some TRX in your Metamask wallet. By 2025, blockchain tech has evolved, so double-check that your Metamask is updated to support the Tron network, where TRX lives. Step 1. Open your Metamask app and switch to the Tron network. If it's not already added, go to the network settings and add it manually using the Tron details. You can find these online quickly. Once you're on the right network, head to your assets and locate your TRX balance. Step 2. Now, log into your Binance account on the web or app. Navigate to the wallet section, select TRX from your assets, and click on Deposit. This will generate a unique deposit address. Copy that address carefully, as it's case-sensitive and super important. Step 3. Back in Metamask, hit the Send button. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, and take a moment to review everything. You'll see any transaction fees here. Tron network fees are usually low, but keep an eye on them in 2025's market. Step 4. Once you're happy, confirm the transaction. Metamask will prompt you to sign it with your wallet. After that, sit tight while the blockchain processes it. It should only take a few minutes. Finally, head back to Binance and refresh your wallet to confirm the TRX has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Sometimes it takes a bit. Remember, always verify addresses to avoid any mishaps. Crypto security is key. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.